welcome back. And if you're watching this, it is time to open up our Stitch Fix unboxing for, it's November. I think this might be my second one for November. So sometimes what happens when you check out is they're like, hey, would you also like another fix for this month? And sometimes I'm like, heck yeah. And other times I'm like, nah, man. But this time I was like, heck yeah. So for those who aren't aware, a Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. You can literally do it as often or as not often as you would like. So I generally get one once a month, with the exception of, whenever I accept whenever I accept a quick fix. Sorry, I'm trying to film this in a hurry. I filmed my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video right before this, and Roxy was just ever so helpful in the way where she was not helpful at all. And right now she's eating dinner, and I'm like, okay, if I film this very fast, maybe she won't come in and try to offer us her help or her love. So if I'm stumbling over my words, my B, guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive on in. So Stitch Fix, generally there is a $20 styling fee attached with each box. However, I am on Style Pass, meaning I just pay $50 a year. Oh, and here she comes to love us and to bother us in that way that only dogs can, honestly. Yep, and there we go. We're messing with the camera and we want some love. And I might have to go relocate her because I think it's really important that I don't get any dog hair on these new clothes. BRB, guys. Okay, I don't really know where I left off, but basically you get 5 items. So it's been a little bit different for probably like half a year now, where you get paired up with a stylist and they offer you a preview before they actually send you your box. And you can pick all 5 of the items, or you can just pick a couple and then tell the stylist, like, good luck, try again. So right now for this box, I picked, I believe, 2 of these items, and then the other 3 are a surprise. I do believe I have the same stylist, and I don't really like have anything requested specifically for this box. I am kind of in that rut where like, I like a lot of floral print. I like a lot of dresses. And I had so much of that this summer, and I was trying to think of like, okay, well, what do I need? And I was like, I really need to mix it up. So I told my stylist, I would like to try some things outside of my comfort zone. Now, when I got the preview, which I'll show or insert pictures of the preview somewhere around here, maybe right now as I'm talking, good job editing me. I wasn't super like, wow, that's so different from my normal style, but we'll see. We'll see if she was able to figure it out based on the feedback that I gave her. So I don't have to pay for everything that I keep. Anything I don't like, I can return in this prepaid mailer. Another nice thing is if I like something, but the size isn't quite right, I can also generally send it back for an exchange as long as they have the size that I need. So let's go ahead and open up this envelope. So here's the invoice. I like to look at that last because I don't need that kind of judgment in my life until I've already tried everything on and I've formed my own judgment. And then there's also a note from your stylist telling you everything they picked and why they picked it and how they would suggest styling everything. So let's see, it says, hey Amanda, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 28. I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. How exciting was your Fix preview experience? Okay, like not to get nitpicky, I'm pretty sure like she just copy and pasted from the last like 10 Stitch Fixes, like as far as that note goes. But anyways, I'm so glad to see that you found a couple of items that you look forward to trying on. Now, let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the Market and Spruce burnt orange corduroy skirt paired with the Love Ellie brown cardigan, and finish the look with some flats or wedges for a fun and casual look. How does this skirt fit you? Do you like the style of the sweater? Another option to try could be the 9 Britain midi dress and layer on the Market and Spruce blush cardigan. Please always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how I can help improve to better help you in the future. I can't wait to hear from you. Your friend, Brittany. Okay, so I did pick the burnt orange skirt and I picked the brown cardigan we'll be trying on today. The other 3 items are new. And I will say, like, at least one of them is a strong, like, not quite in my normal, like, comfort zone of style. So, like, maybe she got the assignment. Everything else, let's just unbox this and experience this together. Okay. So I would show you the bundle, but the bundle did kind of fall apart. So we're just gonna pick this up piece by piece. And so this first piece, it is a plaid. Not quite flannel. I'm pretty sure this is a cotton shirt. Okay, it is plaid. It is not cotton. It is rayon. It's a little bit on the sheer side I see as I'm filming it now, but otherwise it's this like kind of red and blue deal right here. It does look like it has the roll up sleeves. I do have to be careful with shirts like this because my arms are just like, they just don't quit, honestly. And sometimes I feel like the sleeves on these shirts tend to be really, really tight. And now that I have like kind of muscular arms, like not to brag or anything, sometimes these are just too tight for my comfort, but we'll go ahead and try this on. I love this. I used to wear something like this like back in the day when I was in high school, especially when I used to work at Aeropostale. First job ever, fun fact. So we'll have to see how that goes. This next item I believe is the midi dress. And listen, the floral is definitely not out of my style comfort zone. So like, Brittany, I don't know if you understood the assignment there, but it does seem to like, I don't know. There's some other parts of it about this where I'm just like, I'm not sure if this would be flattering on me. So maybe she understood it overall. I don't know. But either way, it is sleeveless. It is a scoop neck. It is like super comfy feeling. It does have this like faux wrap situation and it has a side slit, it looks like. So we'll have to try that on and see how it goes. Now next is this burnt orange corduroy skirt. Now I don't wear skirts a lot. I'm trying to wear them more often. I feel like the issue I have with skirts is I'm really bad with like figuring out how to pair it with something up top, if that makes sense. And also I have a badonkadonk that also just doesn't quite, and it's very hard to find anything that fits my badonkadonk well enough. So anyways, this is pretty cute and I look forward to trying this bad boy on. Here is the first cardigan. This is the blush cardigan. And when I saw this, I don't know, it kind of looked like a grandma cardigan to me, not gonna lie. But it does have pockets and it's this like knit texture. It doesn't look like it'd be very warm, but she is saying to try this on with the dress. So I don't know, we'll give it a chance. And then lastly, here's the cardigan I picked out. It's different from any other cardigan that I have. It is super soft, oh my goodness. And then it has these kind of big buttons going down the front. This looks like it'll be a lot of fun. With that being said, let's go try this stuff on. So here is outfit number one, paired with a pair of boots that I already owned, as well as a black cami that I already own. So overall thoughts, I really like this as an outfit. It does, like, my normal going out outfit is definitely like a pair of skinnies. But this would actually might be a better like summer going out outfit. Maybe not the sweater so much. I guess without the sweater, yeah, this would be a cuter going out outfit. I probably wouldn't wear this top with it though. I'd probably wear something different. Mike said this looks very Texas, which we're both Texas transplants. Neither of us grew up around here. I'm Midwest and he's West Coast. So I don't know, I just thought that was a funny observation. The skirt does have front pockets as well as back pockets. My only issue with the skirt, it keeps riding up. It's one of those outfits where the entire night I would just like be constantly trying to like low key like, let's pull it down so it's a little less obscene, or maybe I'll let it ride up, just, you know, depending on what my intentions are for that night. Anyways, as far as the sweater goes, I like it. It's super soft, it's super cozy. What I'm concerned about is that this is literally like, I feel like the only outfit I would wear this with. I do feel like this is something that like the younger kids would be like wearing. It's maybe a little bit more of their style. And so I'm kind of wondering whether or not I should just keep the sweater, because this might actually be like very fashion forward in a year or two. And I'm just not quite there yet because I'm a little too old for it at the moment. I don't know. You know how fashion works sometimes. Anyways, let me know your thoughts about this, please. I am intrigued. So this is how I styled the outfit with the plaid shirt. These are jeans that I got in a previous Stitch Fix, and these are the same boots I wore with the last outfit. So overall, I like the shirt. It is a little bit wrinkly, and I do have a concern with that because I'm the type of person where it takes 7 to 10 business days to put all my clothes away after I do my laundry. And so you know I ain't ironing this if I want to go out and wear this. With that being said, I was a little concerned it might be too tight in the shoulders and or the arm area, and it is surprisingly comfortably loose. It does have a pocket on this side that is fully functional, so kudos to that. Buttons only run down to like, I don't know, right around like the Empress line on here. And I could have them all buttoned up, which would give me a little bit of a different look. I do feel like that might be a little bit more lumberjack, or maybe a little bit more like mom look. This is just a look that I felt more comfortable with. Like I said, this is very reminiscent of like stuff I used to wear in high school, which, listen, if it ain't broke, you know what I mean? You know, I do wonder whether or not I'm like maybe regressing fashion wise, but again, if it's not broke, you know, Mike did say something. He's like, oh, did you get this shirt at Kohl's? And I'm like, no, this is a Stitch Fix shirt. And he's like, oh, so then it's going to be overpriced for what it is. And I was like, oof, but maybe reality of truth. Anyways, let's go on and try on the last outfit. Okay, so I paired the shawl with the dress because that's the way Brittany, the stylist, suggested I wear this. I feel like the shawl with the dress is very much like, I am ready for church, but this isn't, I don't know, this isn't quite, the shawl just makes it feel like grandma. Like I'm a grandma. It's a grandma shawl. It's a nice shawl. There's nothing wrong with grandma shawls, but it just, it's not my style, man. I do really enjoy like these pockets though that form, so like plus on that. But once you take off the shawl, I feel like this dress, I completely underestimated this dress. I thought this was gonna be like, I was gonna hate it, that it wasn't gonna be flattering at all, especially because I'm sensitive about my midsection, but like hot damn. It fits in all the right places. So that slit that I thought was a side slit, it's actually a front slit. And then it does have this faux wrap detail right around here. My only concern about this dress is that right now my farmer's tan is like, it's not gone all the way, but it's much less noticeable. And if I were to wear this when it was hot out, it would be much more apparent, and I would definitely have to like make sure I stayed constant on the self tanner throughout the summer just to even that out. I do feel like, you know, this might be a cute like bridal shower dress or something, or even maybe like engagement picture dress, just because I have those things coming up in my future. But I don't know if this is a keeper because I already have so many really cute floral print dresses that would also work for those occasions. But like, I have to admit, this is a nice dress, and I did not think this would be up my alley at all. Okay, let's look at this invoice and see what the potential damage could be. So the subtotal is $294. If you do keep all 5 items, they give you a 25% discount. So with the buy all discount, the new subtotal would be $220.50. Shipping is free, and I do not have any credit right now. Now, if you are interested in trying out Stitch Fix for yourself, I do believe if you use the code that's in the description box down below, we both get $25 off. So if you're interested in trying out, consider that code. But anyways, that being said, let's go through this item by item. So the blush cardigan was $68. Not feeling it. That one's definitely going back. Just not about the grandma cardigan vibes right now. The skirt that we tried on was $54, which I need to think a little bit about that one. It's cute. I'm just not sure it's $54 worth of cute. The dress, the midi dress I'm currently wearing, is $58. It's very cute. I do love me a good floral print. I need to think about it because I do have a lot of floral print dresses. The brown cardigan is $46, and it is the, wait a minute. Yes, I'm sorry. The brown cardigan, it is $46, and it is also the cheapest item out of this whole box. Again, I need to think about it. It's cute. It might be fashion forward. I feel like it's what the youths are wearing these days. I like it. It's very cozy. Do I need it though? That's the big question. Do I need another cardigan to add to my collection of cardigans? And then lastly, the plaid shirt was $68. So yeah, that's gonna be a no for me. I liked it. It was comfortable. It was pretty cute. It's just not $68 worth of cute. Anyways, I guess another, if you'll bear with me, what's the word I'm looking for? advertisement. I have a Poshmark shop. This is what I'm trying to say. So I have a Poshmark shop. It will be linked in the description box down below. I do put up some of my Stitch Fix rejects, or sometimes when I do like 4 out of 5 of my box items or 3 out of 5, I'll just go ahead and do the keep all 5. That's what I'm trying to say. So I get the discount, and then I just sell those other items in my Poshmark shop, and I try to pass along the discount to you. I have started pricing them a little bit higher just because when people start bartering on Poshmark, generally then that price gets driven lower throughout the bartering process. So just keep that in mind. If you do really like something, don't be afraid to offer me a lower price for it. It's just, I've already priced it just a little bit higher to account for the bartering system in Poshmark. Anyways, if you've made it this far and you like this video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, stay safe, stay happy, stay warm, enjoy Thanksgiving. This might be my last video before Thanksgiving. See you later, guys.